It's not just a color that stops traffic. It's the fact that this bright pink Subaru Impreza might be the most radical move the brand has made since ditching the WRX wagon. And no one saw the surprise coming, especially not in this shade. Welcome back to the channel where performance meets personality and practicality wears rally boots. Today, we're diving deep into one of the boldest statements Subaru has made in years, the 2025 Impreza. Specifically, the custom factory-brushed electric cherry pearl finish. Yes, it's bright pink. Yes, it's available from the dealer. And yes, underneath that loud exterior, this new Impreza is whispering something very serious about where Subaru is going next. Let's get one thing straight. Subaru has never been known for flashy colors. Blues? Of course. A few wild STI yellows in the past? Maybe. But pink? That's new territory. This isn't a marketing gimmick. It's a quiet revolution. The 2025 model year brings with it the most significant design refresh the Impreza has seen in over a decade, and the color palette is just the surface. Look closely and you'll see a lower, wider stance. The roof line is subtly tapered, hinting at aero efficiency. The body creases are sharper, pulled tight like tendons over muscle. Subaru calls it a tension-forward design, and for once, the marketing buzzword actually holds up. The new Impreza looks fast standing still. And in this paint, it looks like it's from another planet. Under the hood, Subaru keeps things familiar, but more refined. The base 2.0-liter flat-4 remains, but the big news is the upgraded 2.5-liter boxer engine, now standard in the RS trim. That engine kicks out 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, channeled through Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Still one of the most confidence-inspiring setups in the industry. It's not going to snap your neck off the line, but that's not the point. The new Impreza delivers a kind of smooth, composed athleticism, a car you can push hard on a twisty road and still feel like you're in total control. What really stands out, though, is the way this car feels under you. Subaru has revised the suspension geometry, stiffened the chassis, and recalibrated the steering rack to deliver more feedback without sacrificing daily comfort. The result? A 5-door hatch that finally lives up to the Impreza nameplate's rally heritage without demanding a chiropractor's visit after a long drive. Inside, the cabin's been given a much-needed overhaul. Subaru's new 11.6-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen takes center stage, responsive, intuitive, and finally up to par with rivals in this space. The materials are better, the ergonomics smarter, and there's a refreshing simplicity to the layout that reminds you Subaru is still a brand focused on function before flash. And yet, here we are, driving a neon pink hot hatch. Funny how things evolve. And yes, this color, as wild as it looks, is completely intentional. Subaru's design team reportedly fought to push it through a conservative corporate chain, citing a demand from younger buyers who want boldness and individuality in affordable, practical packages. This isn't just about standing out. It's about standing for something. The electric cherry pearl Impreza tells the world you're not afraid to drive something different, and more importantly, something authentic. But here's the twist I promised at the beginning. There's a version of this pink Impreza being tested right now in Japan. It's camouflage, low to the ground, with larger brakes and dual exhausts. Word is, Subaru's cooking up a high-output RS Plus, or even a spiritual successor to the old WRX hatch. Same body, wild color options, a turbocharged heart. If that's true, we could be looking at the beginning of a full-circle moment for the Impreza line, and pink might just be the color of its rebirth. So what do we make of it? The 2025 Subaru Impreza in bright pink isn't just eye candy. It's a signal. Subaru's listening to the streets again. They're building cars with emotion, personality, and yes, color. It may not have the brute power of its STI ancestors, but this Impreza proves something even more important, that you don't need to scream to be heard. Sometimes, all it takes is the courage to paint outside the lines. If you've enjoyed this deep dive and you believe cars should be more than just machines, they should be statements, then hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world reviews, and share this with someone who still thinks Subarus are only for outdoorsy introverts. We're just getting started. Stay loud, stay proud, and keep driving something that makes you smile.